both look like geese, but I'm not sure. Oh my good Lord, I don't even know if those are geese. I think those are ducks. Oh, good God, that's a lot.
Welcome back to Ole Outdoors. Out here with the Human Guide Service. We're about to go do some duck hunting. Tell you what, I don't know what the hell we're doing. It's like single digits out here right now. It's I think it was 7 degrees last time I looked at them.
That's right.
Well, we're gonna get out there before anybody hits us, and hopefully it's not iced over, and shoot some ducks. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, folks.
Tell you what, we had to break through some ice. Tried to make it out to an island, and it was froze over. We pretty much beached the boat on some ice, so we turned back around. We're gonna be hunting the shoreline here. God, we'll be shooting from land, from shore. We got our decoys set up there, as you can see them. We're about 25 minutes away from shooting hour. Wait, there's ducks flying already. Oh, boy, it's cold out here.
Should be ice cream.
There's Tim breaking up some ice. We had a flock of woodies come over. Then we had a juvenile eagle fly over. They're coming over. I don't know if that's that kid over there. I don't think that. Yeah. Fucking. I know. This is probably the coldest I've been out duck hunting.